Hi children, good morning. This is your social science class. Today we are going to see lesson number 1 environment. At last session we saw about four domains of the natural environment, isn't it? What are they? Yes, the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. We saw about all those things detailedly in the last session. In this session, we are going to see about ecosystem, which is in page number 114. We need to know what is an ecosystem. See the definition? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and the non-living environment. That is what children, that is ecosystem. Kindly see page number 114, the ecosystem second para. See that second para children, what they talk about? They talk about rainforest, grasslands, desert, lakes, rivers and pond. Everything contain ecosystem. Especially pond contain so many tiny plants, algae, animals, rocks, water, everything, isn't it? All those things interact with each other, okay, with the abiotic environment. Already we saw about two things, two components of natural environment. What are they? Abiotic and biotic, isn't it? Biotic means, already told you, living things. Abiotic means natural non-living things like water, air and rocks, isn't it? So it, all the things need to interact with each other in a abiotic environment. That is known as what? That is ecosystem. The transfer of energy among the different components, this one is known as ecological balance. Okay, already we have read there are two types of environment. One is natural environment, which is made by our mother earth, and then man-made environment, which made by human, isn't it? Now let us see about the human environment detailedly, which is in page number 115. We knew all the things which are made by human, those are man-made things, isn't it? Yes, roads, bridges, schools, hospital, everything made by human. Okay, and this human, they influenced by the nature, they influenced by the nature. According to that climate, their dress style, lifestyle, everything differs from place to place. We know the twin clearly. Our early humans, they lived a simple life, children. But after the invention of the wheel, all the development came. After the invention of wheel only, what happened? All the development came. Especially the transportation, it became easier and faster. On those days, they moved from one place to another place. It took a long time. But nowadays, if we need to go from here to America, we can go within few hours. Through which way? Through airway, isn't it? So, after the invention of the wheel, everything developed rapidly. Next, let us see about human environment interaction. So, see here, human environment interaction explains how man affects the environment and gets affected by it. Okay, our mother earth, it provided so many things to human. It provides also water, land and then air, everything. But what are people? Are human beings? They adapt to the environment, they make some modify in the environment, they depend the environment, and now they are destroying the environment. By how? By polluting, by polluting land, water, air, everything. Humans, they can't realize the mother earth's gift, mother earth's gift. So that's why they pollute everything, they pollute everything. So what is the need of the hour? The need of the hour is nothing but we need to balance perfectly between the natural and human environment. Let's recall, children, what we have seen today. We have seen about ecosystem. Then we saw about human environment. Then we saw about human environment interaction. Okay, first of all, we need to know about what is an ecosystem. Ecosystem is nothing but what? The interaction between the living things in an environment with the abiotic environment, that is ecosystem. Okay, and then the transfer of energy among the different components, that is known as ecological balance. Then human environment, the man-made environment, like lifestyle, occupation, roads, bridges, all the buildings or comes in the place of human environment. Here only we saw about the invention of wheel. After the invention of wheel only we got all development. Then we saw about human environment interaction. Okay, the mother earth, it gives so many gifts to us, but without realizing the thing, are human, they, what they are doing, they are polluting. Okay, they are polluting each and everything in the earth, whether it may be water, land, or else air. So, what is the need of the R? The need of the R is nothing but the balance between natural environment and human environment. The balance should be maintained. Okay, just take a book and read this three topic, children, which is in page number 114 and 115. Okay, I will ask question in the next online session, children. Thank you. Be safe at home, dears.